Safaricom closed Monday's trade at the Nairobi Securities Exchange at 28 shillings and 15 cents per share, a slight gain from Friday's trade and defying the shocking news of the passing on of its CEO Bob Collymore. We now take a look at the company that the late Collymore leaves behind. In just a little over 2 decades, Safaricom has evolved from a little-known subsidiary of Telkom Kenya in the late 1990s to the largest company in the region. With a capitalization of 1.1 trillion shillings, Safaricom commands half of the market value of all companies listed at the Nairobi Securities Exchange. As the company and the country come to terms with the passing on of Bob Collymore, what sort of entity does the CEO leave behind? It makes for a mixed bag, to say the least. On the one hand, the late CEO leaves behind the country's most profitable company, having raked in 63.4 billion shillings in net earnings for the full year ended March 2019. To appreciate just how large the scale of this profit is, one would need to combine the full year 2018 net profits of Kenya Commercial Bank, Equity Bank, Cooperative Bank and the Barclays Bank of Kenya to equal Safaricom's performance. Equally significant, Bob Collymore leaves behind a company whose share price has risen sixfold since he assumed office in September 2010, an indication that while he was at the helm, Safaricom delivered value for its shareholders, including a special dividend of 24.8 billion shillings for the full year ended March 2019. Now, this strides notwithstanding, Bob Collymore leaves behind a company grappling with a declining market share as far as mobile telephony subscription is concerned, as competitors, notably Airtel and Telkom, step up efforts to widen their share of the market. In the latest development, Safaricom is facing not only a possible merger between Airtel and Telkom, but also a proposed legislation which could have telecommunications companies be compelled to separate mobile money services from the rest of the business as a move to arrest perceived dominance by Safaricom.